4Dealership comes with free KarShop for garage and repairs shop. KarShop can be used as integrated with 4Dealership software or as standalone application. Vehicles and customers exchangeable between two programs. KarShop software includes open and closed orders, estimates, customers, parts, appointments, and reports. KarShop software allows to track all kind repairs, parts, mechanics, labors and invoicing. Also, you can select an active vehicle or sold vehicle from 4Dealership software, and the repair cost will be added to the vehicle's expense. You can save the work order to be modified and close it later, or you can close it and print invoice. You can add down payment, or full payment. Each repair order can have problems and recommendations as well as documents attachments such as images, PDF file, text file to be viewed later if needed. KarShop allows to add estimates, then convert it to work order later if needed. KarShop can have independent customer for outside repairs as standalone. KarShop allows to add technicians and mechanics for fast pickup on work order screen. Appointment schedule allows to reserve work or repair time to organize your work hours and estimate how long that work will take. KarShop offers 7 different type reports. We can add more reports in the future if needed. KarShop easy to use, affordable, no monthly fees, no hidden charges, free support, sold as integrated with our 4Dealership software, also can be sold separately. Please visit our website at 4dealership.com to download 30 days risk-free demo. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. Please share it with others.